tickets in hand, facing forward.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
Zo. En dan daar naar achteren. En dan zo naar boven.
Departure times are posted throughout the island. Alcatraz cruises vessels are required to depart. Please have your tickets in hand, facing forward.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? For your safety, please do not stand on the benches, sit on the backs of the benches, or lean over the rails. If you have young people in your group, keep them in your sight at all times, and have them walk about the vessel and not run. There is the possibility of encountering rough water. When moving about the vessel, watch your step and hold on to a handrail, especially when going up or down stairwells. For your security, please keep all personal items in your possession at all times while on the ferries and while on Alcatraz. You'll walk in the footsteps of America's most dangerous criminals and the men who guarded them. Hear their voices and experience their daily lives when you tour the federal penitentiary. Although it's known as the Rock, you'll be amazed at the island's natural beauty. Discover the secrets of its historic gardens. And keep an eye out for abundant bird life. But also, be on the lookout for the remains of a Civil War fort. A 19th century stronghold that protected San Francisco Bay from potential invaders. And even after the notorious penitentiary closed, Alcatraz continued to make history. In 1969, in a bid for political recognition, American Indians claimed Alcatraz. Locate the signs of their occupation. Alcatraz, It's so much more than just a prison. The National Park Service welcomes you to Alcatraz Island. As we approach Alcatraz, docent and volunteer-guided walks, a self-guiding trail, an orientation video, Native American occupation videos, and a recorded cell house tour. You will find directions to these activities at the dock and on your information flyer. Smoking, eating, and drinking are allowed only at the dock. Bottled water is allowed on the rest of the island.